7 species of bees are endangered, and if we lose them, we lose things like strawberries, avocados, even coffee. But the Sarasota Honey Company is making sure the bees stay abuzz. Sarasota Honey Company co-owner Alma Johnson is quite the busy bee.
We're all about encouraging employment and life skills. We work with people with special needs. We're about educating the public in all things sustainability, more specifically bees and beekeeping.
Their program each Tuesday encourages job skills and social skills as young adults with disabilities work together on a 3-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio.
And they're the ones that are labeling the products here. They're the ones that are building beehive boxes.
One of those worker bees is Griffin's 29-year-old son.
He's disabled, he can't read or write, but he can build a bee box and he can be a part of this. And because of Alma, she has let them own it.
It takes us back to the basics. I see that the beekeeping community at times is a bit of an aging community.
Johnson says these young adults are a big part of the solution to keep the bees buzzing.
What's going to save the bees are hobbyists and local beekeepers. I rather see 2,000 people with 2 beehives versus 2 people with 2,000 hives, because they can really provide the husbandry that's needed so that the bees can thrive.
Making strides with a program that Griffin feels is the bee's knees.
It was so great that I quit my job of 24 years working in a law firm to come and help support Alma and her business.
In Sarasota, Hallie Pilot, SNN, the Suncoast News Network. The Sarasota Honey Company gives free tours Thursday through Saturday where you can learn about the practice of beekeeping and sample some natural honey.